Today we are here to discuss about skin boosters which are very popular during winter months. We often face dryness and patchiness of skin, and that makes our skin look dehydrated with more appearance of fine lines and open pores. So then we can have an injectable moisturizer that can help you hydrate the skin from within. Why not go for it? There are two popular products in the market. One is Restylane Vital and Juvederm Volite. Now, Juvederm Volite and Restylane Vital are two products which are injected into the superficial layer of skin. So, unlike a filler which changes a facial profile or is used to fill a volume loss, an injectable skin booster is injected to hydrate the skin. Multiple areas are injected, so we form a grid which is around 1 centimeter, and then we inject small amount of the product into multiple areas on the skin. The product is injected into the superficial layer of skin, so it is just going to hydrate your skin. So what you will feel is your skin will look more hydrated. You will feel the fine lines to be appearing less. Now what is done in the procedure is that after cleaning your face, we apply a topical anesthesia which is around half an hour to make your session very comfortable, and then we form multiple grids and inject the product. There is a small bumpiness which is visible immediately, which settles down within a day. So practically this procedure doesn't have any downtime. The results appear maximum in 10-15 days because that's the time when the product hydrates, and the results last you for over a year. The product is very safe, very well tested and globally used all over. There is no side effect profile except that you can have a small minimum amount of injection point or bruising, which also we don't see very often and which settles down within few days. Along with this, the importance is that when we have young brides or we have young patients who are looking for an enhancement of face or looking for something which is commonly known as a Korean glass skin, this is the product which can be used to give you that no makeup look or a glazed appearance of the skin, where you will not need require use of very often, where you will not need the requirement, where you will not need to apply makeup very often to cover your open pores. Now this product is specially performed more during winter months because many patients fear, now this product is very commonly used in winter months because many patients face appearance of dry skin and fine lines because of dehydration and cold weather. So this is an injectable moisturizer which you can go for. Normally the Juvederm Volite, which is hyaluronic acid with a low lidocaine injection. We require 4 syringes, one for each side of the face, cheeks, one for the chin and one for the forehead. And it's a single session which will last you for over a year. The protocol for Restylane booster is we use 2 syringes, 1 month apart. Some patients we often go for a third also to give you the desired effect. Now this is something which will not only hydrate your skin, it is also going to produce natural elastin and collagen and increase the overall youth of the skin. So this is something which is and has an anti-aging benefit as well. Now this product has certain advantages that it is an injectable moisturizer. So often people face dehydration and dull skin during winter months. So this is something which is like an injectable moisturizer which is going to increase the appearance of improved elasticity, texture and hydrate the skin. So these are three common problems which you face in winter months, and one should consider going for a skin booster, especially during this time of the season. It's a wedding season also, so for young brides who are considering to go for a no makeup look or want to enhance and give a good glow to the skin, this is the product which is you should go for it. So if you want to schedule your session or if you have any queries regarding it, you can get in touch with us and we'll be happy to solve it. Thank you.